Welcome, here I've got Sony Xperia 5 III and let me show you how to turn on and off location tags in camera basic mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it. As you can see in right corner we are on basic mode automatically. Now let's tap to menu and we have to set a little bit to set up category. Here we can find save location option. When we tap to it we can decide to turn it on and off as we need. And here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.